So what is going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this type of text animation. So guys, I think my Discord got hacked and I've recovered it. So now go to my YouTube bio and click the first link so that I'll add you. I think I've organized stuff over there. Now I'm going to put things there for you guys to download for free. So guys, click the first link that you see on my YouTube bio. So this is my test. Let's try and make some changes here. So let me turn off the grid. And now for the high, I'm going to separate this letter from the high. So I'll go to the high, then I'm going to delete the I. So we're having this word without the I. We're going to create a new text layer. So I'm going to put the I on its own layer, and we're going to just match it to the word here. We're going to also delete the I here too, and make sure you give some space. So we have something like this. Now let's turn this off. Now right click, go to new, go to solid, and now let's call this candle lights. Okay, let's change the color to something like this. And now let's bring it down here and just add the BCC particle illusion. So particle illusion, if you have your BCC installed, you are going to get the particle illusion. So just click on it, and now go to launch particle illusion. Just click on it. So here you have this emitter library here. It's called the candle flame, and this is what I'm going to use. So just go to the candle flame and just click on add, and it's going to add it to your timeline. Just hit on apply. Then let's go back to After Effects. So you can see you have it here, and you're not going to use this for now, so just turn this off. And now let's go into the animation. Just recompose your text. So go to recompose, and let's rename this to add 3D. Add your fill, and now you can change the color anytime you want. So now let's make some animations here. So go to transform, and we're going to click on all of these, go back, and now let's try and make some changes here. So go to the position, the Z position, and let's bring this one here. Highlight your keyframes, easy ease, go to your graph and make a graph like this. So I have something like this. So now all we can do now is let's go to opacity. So we have the opacity, and now let's go to the Z and let's increase this a bit. Now go to opacity, and now here I'm going to make a keyframe here, move like this, make another keyframe, and now go to the beginning and just set it to 0 and move it just like this, and move this one to a little bit. So if you play this is what we have now. And now let's go to the high. So we're going to pre-compose this too. So because of the fill, you can now because of the fill, you can make a keyframe for the color. So just here, send the keyframe here, move in time to this side, and just change the color to this. So you can see what we're having here. Nice one. Now let's go to the H, recompose this too, and now rename it to HGH. Now go into the pre-comp, and now go to your text evil. I've given you guys the preset. You can get it on my PAYHIP or can get it. Check this video link. You can see it on this video. So just click on it and go to the preset and choose anyone you want. I'll go for this. I just go to let me go for this and let me go to apply. Let's see what we have. So we have something like this. Nice one. So let's go back to the comp and we have something like this. So go back to the animation and bring the keyframes. Go to the opacity of this and make a keyframe. Go to this side here and set it to 0, and we're going to get something like this. So now go to your reputation and turn this on. So as I told you, this eye here is going to move to this side, so I'm going to create that animation. But for now, go to reputation and recompose this. Now let's change the color, move this to this side here. Now grab your mask tool and we're going to mix some masks. So I'm going to make some keyframes. So go to your masks and now go to max packs, make a keyframe, go in time, and now let's move this. If you can't see this, just zoom in and just double click and then move this. So hold shift, so it's going to move in a straight line. Have something like this. So now with this, select your keyframes, easy ease, select your keyframes, go to your graph. I am on the speed graph, not the value graph, so make this. So we'll get something like this. So this is what we have now. Go to our high and now let's add linear wipe. So linear wipe. Now make a keyframe. So in the middle of this layer here, make a keyframe for the high and just click on the transition complete and move in time, then just set it to 100. Now let's go to our eye again. We're going to create a new null object and we're going to convert it to 3D. Make sure you move it to the middle of our letter here. So we're going to bring it down and move it like this and move it up. And now convert it to 3D and parent the eye to the null. And as soon as we see the wipe, so you can see the wipe. So let's start here, go to transform and enable all the keyframes, move to this side here, and now move this to the middle here, align this with the text. So we have something like this, and highlight your keyframes and add the same ease. Let's try and align with our candle flame. So turn it on. Now go to your BCC particle illusion, go to composite and go to alpha plus apply mode. So you have it revealed here, and apply mode, you can choose any of the blending options here. So I'll just choose any one of these, then I'll put it behind our reputation. So I want it to start from here. So as soon as this gets to the letter I gets to the middle here, I want our candle flame to start, and we're just going to move it to the side here. So you can use your arrow keys on your keyboard to move it. So now let's go to the high, and then let's also add a fill. So with this, let's select this color here, and we're going to make some changes here. So we're going to make a keyframe. So just before it vanishes or it's wiped out, we're going to change the color. So we'll make a keyframe for the color here, and let's move a few frames. So now I'm going to change it to red. So now we'll go to our reputation. So go to reputation, and so the null and the I, let's recompose this, and let's call this the I, the letter I, and let's go to the reputation, and we're going to create a new null to and parent. So we're going to move it the null to the middle of this, and we're going to parent. So now also pre-compose the candle light, and now parent the candle lights, the eye and the reputation to the null. Make a keyframe. So for reputation, now let's go to reputation. We're going to add the saber effect. So what you have to do is just go to saber. This is a free plugin. Then go to your customize core and just go to layer max, and now go to the preset, and let's go for any of them. You can go for energy, you can go for fire, any one of them. So I'll go for fire. Then go to the render settings, and now go to composition, set it to transparent, and now go to your alpha mode, go to enable max. So at the end you have something like this, and let's go. So now go to your the eye, and now go to the comp, and now let's add some changes here. So what we're going to do now is just look for where it's going to move, and we're going to change it just from here. So here we're going to split this. So go into the comp, and we're just going to split this. Control Shift D to split, and here I'm just going to add the bevellizer. So this is how I created this animations. Yeah, there's a lot you can add to this. You can add your texture, you can add bevel emboss, deep glow. So guys, I'm going to see you in my next upload. Peace.